Bangladesh crisis continuing amid the ongoing violence there. ISKCON priest Chinmoy Krishnadas Brahmachari, who was earlier arrested on the 25th of November, he's being produced before the Chittagong court and his bail plea has been rejected. After prominent Hindu spiritual leader Chinmoy Krishnadas was arrested by the Dhaka Police's detective branch, the ISKCON has now urged the Indian government to take immediate steps and speak to the Bangladesh interim government for the release of the monk. Chinmoy Krishnadas, who has been a vocal voice against violence against Hindus and other religious minorities in Bangladesh, where violence against Hindus and other religious minorities has enveloped the country ever since the ouster of the former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Listen in to what the ISKCON seer had said just a few days ago, anticipating such kind of a situation.
আমাদের প্রিয় জন্মভূমি এই বাংলাদেশ আমরা যে ভূমি ছেড়ে যেতে চাই না আমরা এই ভূমির ভূমিপুত্র এবং সনাতনী সমস্ত জনগোষ্ঠীর কাছে অনুরোধ করব যে কোনো সময় আমাকে হয়তো গ্রেফতারও করা হতে পারে আপনারা ঐক্যবদ্ধভাবে এই আন্দোলনকে অব্যাহত রাখবেন।
Well, protests that have also broken out in Bangladesh right after, in the presence of police. Many of the Hindu supporters of the monk who were carrying out these protests, they were attacked. Many of them who are reportedly said to be grievously injured as well. As far as the mob that was allowed in a way to attack the Hindu protesters who were protesting against the detention or the arrest of the Hindu monk. Now with this development that is now coming to light as far as his detention is concerned, he being a prominent and a vocal voice against the persecution and the attacks and the violent incidents that has been faced by the Hindu minorities and other minorities as well. Months of the violence that has been witnessed in Bangladesh against the Hindu minorities, and now when it comes to ISKCON itself, which has been recently deemed as a terror group in Bangladesh, they have now urged the Indian government to take a stand against Hindus being persecuted in Bangladesh. We have Rishabh with us right now. Rishabh, the court developments that are now taking place in Bangladesh over the arrest, as far as the bail is now been rejected, we are told, of the Hindu monk.
Well, definitely, Amita. If we see, what's happening in Bangladesh is definitely a mockery of law and order. First, violence is unleashed against the minority communities throughout Bangladesh. And when the minority communities head to street to protest against those atrocities, a Hindu monk is picked up. Firstly, in a secret manner from the Dhaka International Airport. Then, when compelled with proof, the Dhaka authorities do approve and agree that they have taken him into custody. And on what charges? A sedition charge has been slapped against Brahmachari, and who is a vocal critique of the government, interim government, given the atrocities that the minorities are going through. Now, a bail has been denied, given that there is a sedition charge. And while the people are on streets of Dhaka and other places in Bangladesh where they are protesting against this arrest, they are subjected to violence as well by the youth wing of Bangladeshi Nationalist Party, the Jubo Dal. And the way things have been moving in Bangladesh since takeover by the interim government on August 8th, this showcases that how, the Bangladesh after Sheikh Hasina is in turmoil. Law and order, sectarian violence, chaos, economic issues, all at once. Mohammad Yunus do not have solution to many things that are happening in Bangladesh.
Absolutely. With the complete breakdown of law and order, we have seen how Hindu supporters have also been attacked and the mob allowed to run Raj when it comes to the attacks that have been recently also carried out. When it comes to ISKCON Vice President, who has slammed Bangladesh government, the interim government, over the arrest of the priest Chinmoy Krishnadas, and has spoken about how Hindus continue to remain as the prime target of such mobs.
ये बहुत ही चिंता का विषय है कि एक तरह तो हम देख रहे हैं कि किस तरह जो माइनॉरिटीज़ हैं, हिंदू माइनॉरिटीज़ हैं बांग्लादेश में, उनके ऊपर में लास्ट 100 दिनों से अधिक उनके ऊपर में अत्याचार हो रहा है। चिन्मय कृष्णदास एक पूरे माइनॉरिटीज़ मूवमेंट का वो फेस बन गए थे और हमने ये भी देखा कि जो भी प्रोटेस्ट हुआ उनके अंडर में वो बहुत ही शांतिपूर्व ढंग से हो रहा था। गवर्नमेंट उनकी बातें सुनने के बजाय हमने देखा कि किस तरह देशद्रोह का मामला उनके अगेंस्ट में किया गया और उनके ही नहीं और भी 18 लोग हैं उनके विरुद्ध में देशद्रोह का मामला किया और अलग अलग तरीके से तंग करने के लिए ताकि ये जो प्रोटेस्ट है वो बंद हो जाए।
Now, with reactions that have been coming in, with the spiritual teacher and founder of the Isha Leadership Academy, Sadhguru, has also termed the arrest of the Hindu monk Chinmoy Krishnadas as disgraceful. where Sadhguru has also urged all Bangladeshi citizens to build back a democratic nation. Even when it comes to as far as the reactions that have been coming in from the chief priest of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Temple, Acharya Satyendra Das, he has also condemned the act by the Dhaka police. Listen in.
देखिए, ये बहुत गलत हुआ है और मैं समझता हूँ जिस तरह से पाकिस्तान किया हिंदुओं के साथ, और वही रवैया बांग्लादेश भी अपना रहा है और ये बहुत गलत है। जो लोग थोड़ा सा हिंदू में जागृति आती है और उसका नेतृत्व करते हैं, उनके ऊपर इस तरह से उनकी गिरफ्तारी कर रहे हैं, ये गलत है और इस पर हमारी सरकार को भी संज्ञान लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब तक सरकार नहीं बोलेगी और उस पर कुछ नहीं कहेगी तब तक इसी तरह से हिंदुओं के ऊपर अत्याचार होता रहेगा।
Well, we have Shashanto Das Gupta, who's an activist in Bangladesh, joining us live right now. Shashanto, what do you make of these developments that have now taken place, especially with the Hindu monk being arrested? We are told he was produced in court and thereafter his bail plea has also been rejected.
Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to talk in this show. Actually, the development is very frustrating. We did not want Chinmay Prabhu was in jail. This is really very sad for all of the humanities in Bangladesh. It's not only the Hindu movement. This is a secular movement, and nobody is happy to see it. It's not only the Hindus. All the people in Bangladesh are very sad to see him in jail. He's a very good guy. He's a nice person. He's not only a Hindu Prabhu. He's an icon for Bangladesh. He's an icon for secularism in Bangladesh. So we are very unhappy to see him in jail. We expected he would be getting bail, but it did not happen. So we want to see him free as soon as possible. That's all from me.
But how are, Shashanto, as you're reporting right now, when it comes to the authorities there in Bangladesh with the interim government reacting to this? Even when it comes to this development that has taken place, he was apparently traveling to Chittagong for another protest that was happening. So meanwhile, with this arrest that is now taking place, how is the interim government now reacting to this development?
Interim government is not friendly to secular activism in Bangladesh. They don't want any secular activism in Bangladesh. They want to stop it anyway. That's the reason they sent him jail, because he is the icon of secularism, and they don't want the interim government, the illegal interim government don't want to see this movement going on. So they stopped it. And the only thing we can say, the movement would be going on. Nobody can stop this movement. It will be continued at any circumstances. It does not matter Chinmay Prabhu is in jail. There are a lot of Prabhus outside, and there are a lot of activists as well outside. So though the government wants to stop it, but nobody can stop it. It will be continued, and nobody can stop us. And all people in Bangladesh are with us. It's only a few people not with us, but I would say 90% of people of Bangladesh giving us the accompanying us for the movement, and it will be continued. That's all.
So you're saying that this movement will continue as far as even when it comes to the arrest of the Hindu seer or the monk is also concerned. You're saying that the protest will continue against Hindus and religious minorities being persecuted in Bangladesh. Shashanto, request you to please continue to be with us, because we'll play out more reactions that have been coming in after the arrest of Chinmay Krishna Das. The opposition in India meanwhile has slammed the central government and the BJP. Let's listen into the political reactions that have been coming in.
राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने बहुत पहले कहा था, चाहे बांग्लादेश हो चाहे कहीं हो, वहाँ अगर हमारे अल्पसंख्यक भाई हो, हिंदू वहाँ अल्पसंख्यक में की रक्षा करने के लिए जो भी कदम सरकार उठाए उसके साथ हम लोग घटिया राजनीति भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए की तरह नहीं करते हैं।
ये है हमारे पड़ोसी देश बांग्लादेश को, जहाँ पर इस्कॉन के एक प्रीस्ट हैं, क्योंकि वो हिंदू प्रीस्ट थे और उनको डिटेन कर लिया गया है। और
नहीं, किसी भी देश में इस तरह की भावना नहीं पैदा होनी चाहिए। हर स्वतंत्रता है, जब हमारा देश हम सेकुलर मानते हैं, तो हमारे देश में जिस तरह की स्वतंत्रता है, दूसरे देश में अगर इस तरह का हो रहा है तो भारत सरकार देखेगी। इसमें विपक्ष की पार्टी के लोग क्या देख सकते हैं? सरकार देखे, भारत सरकार।
Well, reactions coming in from the opposition seeking the direct intervention of the government of India, while BJP on its own has also slammed Bangladesh interim government for committing atrocities against Hindus. Let's listen into their version.
बांग्लादेश में हिंदू समाज के ऊपर जो अत्याचार हो रहा है और वो सन्यासी ने इसका विरोध किया, नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं, इसलिए उनका ऊपर जबरदस्ती हो रही है। वो कहाँ है, किस स्थिति में है, किसी को मालूम नहीं है। इस प्रकार से वहाँ संख्यालघुओं को दबाने के प्रयास हो रही है।
आज हम लोग को मालूम है कि मोहम्मद यूनिस का नेतृत्व में आज बांग्लादेश का नया सरकार बना, हम नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन उन्हीं का नेतृत्व में अभी वही उन्हीं का नेतृत्व है। और अभी ये जो हिंदुओं को मारना, पीटना, घर जला देना, जो अत्याचार जो हो रहे, और ये पहली बार नहीं, धमकाने के लिए और डराने के लिए और हिंदुओं का मुंह बंद करने के लिए आज बांग्लादेश पुलिस ब्रह्मचारी चिन्मय कृष्ण दास को आज उठा के अरेस्ट करके लेके गए।